Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be today's quick question of the day. And I had to write it down because I always forget. I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend and everything went well. I'm holding my camera, so I apologize if it's a little bit shaky, but here's the question. I gotta hold it up here because I'm a little bit of a mess. Okay, this is a really good question because I'm really curious. What gives you motivation to keep pushing forward? So it could be anything. It could be your animals, food, motivation, reading, music, anything, good, bad, and indifferent. Things that help me push forward, depending on the day. Definitely my animals. Especially as they're older now and we're losing them, it seems very quickly. They're moving on to the Rainbow Bridge. But on bad days, it's food. I'm not going to lie. I mean, you can look at me and see that food really does feed bad days for me, bad anxiety days, bad depression days, bad panic days, bad days, pain, everything that goes along with it. So I'm curious to know what motivates you. Now, art saves me over and over again, but art isn't something that I go to all the time, if that makes sense. Sometimes it takes a lot for me to say, okay, go draw, go paint, go whatever. Now, 9 times out of 10, I will do that, but not all the time. There are things that I would go to quicker, like food, or sit on the couch with my dogs, or in bed, or what have you. So I'm going to try later today to figure out this live stream thing and get it going, because I think it's going to be important for us to maybe get together, whether it's me and another person, maybe it's me and 2 people, 5 people, 10 people, I don't know, but to get together and talk and have support. Sometimes we need that, and so many of you write me and email me about you maybe going through a bad time or having a hard time, not having anybody to talk to. And it's really hard sometimes to comment or message back all the time. So I thought maybe this would be a good way to do a live stream on YouTube and see how that goes. So I thought we would try it. So, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And again, the question is, what gives you motivation to push forward? So I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.